Hello friends, I'm Rubina. Welcome to my channel Joy Astro. Today we'll be discussing about wealth acceleration through crystals. The first crystal that comes to my mind is pyrite. The color is yellow and gold. The chakra associated is the solar plexus. Its cubic structure resonates perfectly with the gold energy for money attraction. It ignites the fire of vitality, courage and persistence, which is great for energizing a workplace. If you wish to tap into your creative talents, attract clients, or need to shift your mindset from lack to abundance, pyrite is the one to use. Tips for using a pyrite. Hold a raw pyrite crystal in your hands, close to your eyes, and set your intention for the stone. State what energetic block you'd like to release and what energy you want to fill that space with. Then, place the pyrite crystal in the southwest quadrant of your home. The second crystal which comes to my mind is citrine, which is a lucky merchant stone, rather an amplifier. The color ranges from yellow to pale honey and even brown. The chakra associated is solar plexus, but it also activates your crown chakra. It is often associated with financial success in business and is one of the powerful crystals for manifesting money too. This stone will encourage you to share. By being generous, you can create a circle of wealth which benefits the surrounding. So if you're looking for ways to make, save and spend money wisely, use citrine to amplify your intention. I would like to draw your attention to something important, which is that natural citrine is rare, so a heat-treated amethyst is often sold in its place. The tips for using a citrine is place a piece of citrine in the wealth corner of your home or business to strengthen your financial intentions. The third stone is the green jade, which is an instant wealth giver, the lucky charm and sovereign for harmony. The color is green. The chakra associated is the heart chakra. Green jade's healing energy can dissolve self-imposed limitations, especially those related to not being worthy enough to receive money. It boosts your long-term energy and focus when working towards your financial goals. Tips for using green jade. If you want a symbol of prosperity, a jade elephant with its trunk raised is said to bring abundance. The fourth crystal is green aventurine. This is the stone of opportunity. The color is green. The chakra associated is the heart chakra. It brings back the money that may have been spent unwisely. It can also help you grasp opportunities that otherwise may have slipped away. As a stone of opportunity, it combines the security gained from healing the heart with timely opening of doors. The tips for using green aventurine. Hold a green aventurine gemstone over your heart chakra when meditating on your intention for abundance. The fifth stone is the tiger's eye, which is the stone of the mind that is precisely used for venturing new arenas of business, or I would rather call it a startup stone. The color ranges from brown, yellow and red. The chakra associated is the solar plexus and the root chakra. It has an almost all-knowing ability to bring dreams and intentions into reality. This will help you to move your career forward and bring luck if starting a new venture. With its dynamic combination of earth and solar energy, the tiger's eye is a great stone for staying grounded and sensible in terms of money. It will help you to keep hold of your assets while protecting you from becoming too malicious. It's also a talisman of luck and good fortune, so don't underestimate the fortune flowing ability, particularly when you combine it with some other money attracting crystals. Tips for using tiger's eye. Place a piece of tiger's eye in your pocket when going shopping to deter impulse buying. It will encourage patience to find the right item. The sixth crystal is the peridot, which is the study stone and makes you feel valuable. The color is green. The chakra associated is the heart and the solar plexus. This can be almost anything, but it is often related to money. The light and positive energy of peridot is used to boost a desired outcome. It helps clearing blockages in solar plexus and heart chakra. The peridot's charming energy helps you feel valuable and worthy of receiving money. This is also a wonderful crystal to use in a crystal grid for money. The seventh crystal is the clear quartz. Guys, this is a master healer, a realistic financial goal setter. The color is clear as in transparent. The chakra associated is again the crown chakra. It is a powerful energy amplifying crystal. It can be attuned to any intention including money and also acts as an amplifier when kept near other crystals. If you're setting up a new business or wish to set a realistic financial goal or need to manage some unpaid bills, clear quartz will help you keep your intentions strong. The tips for using clear quartz: put it in a bowl containing several money crystals in your wealth corner and amplify the clear quartz. The eighth crystal is the malachite, which is the stone of transformation. The color is green and the chakra associated is the heart and the throat. This is a beautiful deep green gemstone, powerful for removing the negativity and protects against misfortune. It's an energy magnet, as money is a form of energy. Placing malachite with money can provide the focus needed to solve financial problems. It was called the stone for merchants since ancient times. Malachite is a strong contender for one of the best stones for prosperity. Tips for using a malachite: place a malachite in your purse or your wallet to gain from its positive energy throughout the day. The ninth crystal is amazonite, which is a stone of hope, success, and abundance. The color is turquoise green. The chakra associated is the heart and the throat. By dissipating the energy blockages, amazonite can bring positive feelings and work ethic to any financial venture. It reinforces leadership qualities and calms the mind. So this is again a fabulous stone to use for luck and success in business. Tips for using crystal for prosperity: crystals respond beautifully to the money-related intentions, and there are various ways you can use them. Place a group of money crystals in the left-hand corner of your house or office, known as the wealth corner, to strengthen your financial intentions. Carry crystals in your pocket, purse, and wallet. That helps you make better purchasing decisions throughout the day. Sleep with money crystals under your pillow to bring the money-making ideas while you're sleeping. You can even wear crystals and jewelry to ensure you're dispelling negative energy while protecting an aura of wealth and prosperity. When visualizing, place a crystal on the associated chakra, envisaging your intention. Place the crystals around your home as reminders of energy you are attracting. Use crystals in your meditations, focusing on wealth and prosperity. Use money crystals in your elixirs to harness their beautiful energies. Crystal grids, I must say, are a brilliant way to increase the power of the money stones. That will be all in this episode of Wealth Acceleration through Crystals. See you in the other episode of Wealth Acceleration. Take care. Bye-bye.